Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thanks for being here today. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using all clean, green, and non-toxic makeup. This look is a very natural, everyday kind of makeup look. So I'm just going to go right ahead and get to the application. So to start off, I am using the 100% Pure Long Last Brows. It is in the shade Taupe. And I also am using their eyebrow brush. Now I did go ahead and apply it off camera. I am taking the RMS Uncover Up in the shade 22 and using it to conceal the under eyes. And this stuff is so beautiful on the skin. It gives a super natural and radiant finish. It gives you this beautiful luminosity. And I'm also using it to kind of just spot conceal those areas where I have that hyperpigmentation. It doesn't look like I have a bunch of makeup on. It just looks really skin-like. For foundation, I am using the Alima Pure Satin Matte Foundation in the shade Beige 2. I feel like this is a really good color match for my skin tone, and they do have quite a few shades available. So I'm just really buffing this into my skin, and I really love the finish of this. It looks really nice and skin-like. Now I'm applying the same powder under my eyes just to set it. I also want to say that this foundation is definitely one that you can build up to get more coverage. For bronzer, I am using the Lilah B bronzer. It is in the shade B Sunkissed, and it is this beautiful bronzer, and the packaging is gorgeous as well. It's like a stone, and it has a very heavy weight to the packaging, so it's just gorgeous. And I really love the color as well. It's really natural, not orange at all, and I feel like it just looks great on the skin. I am using that same bronzer for eyeshadow, and I am just applying it to the crease, and I feel like it just really helps to bring more attention to the eyes, but it looks very natural. For blush, I am using the Kosas Blush and Highlighting Duo in the shade Contra Chroma, and this blush is the perfect pink color for a natural everyday makeup look. Now I'm just curling my eyelashes. For mascara, I am using the Ilia Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara. I really like how this lengthens the eyelashes. I don't think that it volumizes them very much, but I do think that it does give them some nice lengthening. For lipstick, I am using the Ilia Beauty High Impact Color Block Lipstick in the shade Rosette. It is this beautiful pink color. I feel like it's just perfect for an everyday makeup look. For highlighter, I am using the Alima Pure Highlighter in the shade Lumina. I think that this color is gorgeous. It's not overpowering, but it does really still give that shine, and I just really love it. Lastly, I'm using the Osea C Vitamin Boost to set my makeup. It doesn't really make your makeup stay on longer, but it does just really freshen up the look of the makeup. So this is the finished makeup look. This is a makeup look that I have been loving to create on a regular basis when I do wear makeup. I love that it's just really natural and glowy, and it doesn't look like I have a whole lot of makeup on, which is fantastic. And best of all, of course, these are all clean makeup products. I have been really getting into using clean makeup because it is just so much better for you. I've just been learning so much more about the ingredients that are in regular makeup, and it's not good. I'm just really loving learning more about clean makeup. Now I also do want to do a skincare video where I show you all of the clean skincare products that I have been switching to. If you guys want to see that video, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss it. So I hope that this video was helpful and that you liked it. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe to my channel. Anyway, I hope that you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.